This assignment is working with icons and 3D models. So all I would want you to do is to go to Insert tab and select icons. And under each category, there's subcategories. So you can select anything and then you have other categories, and there's even more to choose from. And you can click multiple pictures to insert or one at a time. And then click insert and do as many as you like. And then you can actually change the colors of them, because I've changed all these colors. That kind of looked like Stitch for some reason. So the next one, I went into models and I chose all animated models. So they're like short little videos. And you can also rotate them as well. So it does have a rotation if you wanted to just move it a little bit, as well as a video. And then for the next section, I decided to take the animated fish and the penguin skating, but drew a text box. And for the text box, I chose a picture. So it had the ocean floor and a cartoon ice skating rink. So it's just different things that you can actually do in Word, which is pretty cool.